don't know, but time will show, and we'll both grow.
Hey guys, so let's get right into it. This is the bleach you're gonna need. I already had some of it left over from, I guess, bleaching my hair before, so I just used the rest of that. But you could definitely get that like beauty supply store or Amazon. I poured it all into the thing it came in because honestly, I didn't have a bowl. So that's what I used. I'd recommend you get a bowl. Now I'm pouring 40 developer in it. They have other strengths of developer, like they have 50, they have 30, 20, 10, but I used 40. This is the one I recommend you buy. Also at the beauty supply store or Amazon. Then I bought a brush just to make my life easier, because knowing me, I wouldn't. So now I'm mixing it. I put in more developer in because you want it to be kind of like a pasty like consistency. So yeah, I'll show you what it should look like when I'm done mixing it. It should look very similar to this to get the best results. Now I'm just sectioning the front of the hair because I wanted to have like straight blonde in the front and then just have highlights in the rest of my hair. So I couldn't find my freaking rat tail comb, so I had to use this huge comb. Like, I'm not super big on like, oh, straight parts, whatever. Like, that doesn't bother me, but you know, if it does, I suggest you get a rat tail comb and don't be like me. So now I'm just braiding away the rest of the hair. I got foil from the beauty supply store that was already cut like this. You don't really need to. You can just buy regular aluminum foil. So now I'm just taking the bleach and brushing it on. I wanted to get the roots, all of the hair, just because I really wanted it to be like blonde. I wish this angle was a little better, but I'm a joke, so here we are. But I'm literally just wiping the bleach on there. So now I'm folding the foil so that the bleach isn't just the bleach hair isn't just hanging there. And they say that the foil makes it bleach faster. I don't know. I just want to also say I am not like a licensed hairstylist or anything. I just try stuff. So now I'm sectioning the back of my hair so I can start the blonde highlights. And it was very random, like I just put my finger in and out to, you know, separate it. And now I'm bleaching the rest of this hair. It was a little hard because the foil wasn't like as long as the hair. I don't know if there's just like longer foil or like how how hairstylists do it. So this did get a little messy. I had to like fold it up to like try to get everything. I think that's why it came out. Well, you'll see. I just try to get as much the bleach on there. I definitely recommend gloves as well. Please wear gloves, please. So now I did the same method on the other side. I was trying to like maybe start from the bottom this time. If you guys want like a more detailed like tutorial on it, I don't mind. I feel like I'm not showing that well like how I separated the hair to get the highlights. But if you want a video on that, I don't mind. Just let me know in the comments. So I let it sit for about 30 minutes and I washed it out. And now I'm just combing everything out so that now we could tone it. I'd also use purple shampoo. I'll put it in the description because I don't think I showed it in the video. That I use to like get the brassiness out a little bit. So this blonde is okay. Like I wouldn't mind wearing it like this, but I wanted a more like ash tone. So I'm gonna show you guys how I got the tone that I got. And I'm just combing it out. So here is the toner that I used. You take developer and toner and mix it together. I'll show you which toner I use because there's different shades, but this is definitely like my favorite one because it gets the perfect color. You just really I put it all over. I don't know if some people try to just put it on the highlighted parts, but I feel like that's almost humanly impossible. So I pretty much will put it all over. But I started with the front because it's easier. As you can see, you brush it on the same way you do the bleach. And this is the toner. Put it in the description as well. You can get that at the beauty supply store at Amazon. That tone, like, it's, well, at least by me, it's sold out pretty often. So yeah. So I kind of got tired of the brush and I just started putting it in my hand and like just wiping it on to the hair. Again, I am not a hairstylist and I'm pretty sure it's obvious. This is just how I got it. After I put the toner in, I let it sit for about 30 to 40 minutes. Because I really think it depends on how well your hair bleached for how long you should keep it on. This hair bleached pretty lighter than I am used to, so I didn't have to keep the toner on that long. When I've done it in the past, I've literally had to keep the toner on for like an hour. And they say in the box, I think 30 minutes, but you know, I feel like it depends. Because I mean, they're more talking about your natural hair and not a wig. Yeah, I'm still being ghetto. I'm doing it with my hand instead. And just twisting the sections that I already did.
Overthinking, got me drinking. Overthinking, got me. Overthinking, got me drinking. Overthinking, got me.
So, this is the final look. I let it air dry overnight and then I flat ironed it, you know, did my part and you know, all that kind of stuff. I like the way it came out. I feel like this side's a little like patchy looking, I don't know, and this side is a lot better. I haven't like done this in a really long time, so I was scared how it was gonna come out. All in all, I am happy for the most part. I want to do it again so I can really perfect it. I know this wasn't really like a tutorial. More was kind of like, oh, watch me do my hair. So if you want like a more in-depth tutorial, let me know because I could try. I think this is my first hair video, so like positioning the camera and stuff was a little weird for me. But yes, this is the hair. I love it. Everybody else likes it. My mom thinks I should keep my hair like this forever. I don't know. I don't know. I get kind of sick of anything besides like dark hair really quick. But I really like this. I do. I really do. So yeah. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you follow me on Instagram, Twitter, TikTok. I'll be posting more there. So yeah. Thanks for watching.
Boy, I don't know.